This is my Acer Chromebook, and just for fun, I installed Linux Mint onto this M2 hard drive that's running off of a adapter, Elutang adapter over here, to a hub, Dell Mini hub, and into my desktop. So you can see I got Linux Mint installed, and it's running perfectly fine, other than the sound isn't working great. I installed VirtualBox over here, and I'm running you can see Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. I just downloaded the ISO from the Microsoft website, and I'm just running it without a activation code right now, just to try it out. And so here's the session. No, I don't want to cancel that. I'm currently surfing. There's Windows 10. No, I don't want to see that ad. Feels like I'm running an old Intel Core 2 Duo. It's a little slower than using, let's say, browserstack. But in my mind, this is still usable. This one is just running an 8th generation i5 processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM. I got this Chromebook for about $75, and originally I was just going to run using Chrome OS, but then just got bored and then installed Linux first, and then finally before all this I tried installing Windows through crostini, and that was a horrible experience. A virtual machine within a virtual machine. So I was thinking, like, maybe I can still run Windows but through Linux if I can get Linux installed. So I installed Linux, and I made a video of it over here, but it's a little slow, you see. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So you can see there's some slowness involved here. But I would say it's usable. Like I said, you're better off using something like browserstack or cross-browser testing. If you have a fast enough machine. This is pretty old. This is at least 5 years old, 6 years old. But it still can run things. It's just a little slow. So I open Edge, and I put 4 gigabytes of RAM for the virtual machine. You see Edge loaded up. Let's see. Open this article. No, don't do that. Bing. I just want to show what it's like running a virtual machine through Linux on a Chromebook with an 8th gen i5 processor running from a USB drive. I'm thinking it would run a little better off of the internal eMMC, but who knows. So I can load that. Let's pause this for a second so I can go back to this session. Open Bing. It all depends what you're doing. What's McConnell doing now? Oh, he's retiring. So anyways, I just want to show you what the performance is like. 8th generation i5 laptop with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but 4 gigabytes is dedicated to the VM. It feels a little slower than browserstack, but what do you call it? Depends. If I tweak the settings, I'm pretty sure I could get it to run a little better. And this is a Chromebook running Windows 10. Just thought it'd be fun to try out. And I'm using VirtualBox, Oracle's VirtualBox, to try it out. Not bad.